Nice. Auckland City Gardens. Everything's nice and green. Dope. Sorry, I sound kind of out of energy. Kind of am. I could use some water right now. Yeah. So here in Auckland, people actually make... No way. Wow. Yeah. No parece una iglesia, yo no veo ninguna cruz por ningún lado.
No, sí, sí, es una iglesia. Definitivamente es una iglesia. No sé si católica o cristiana.
Mira esta casa.
El menos beneficiado.
The Officers Club. Wow. Casi 100 años se tardó para que lo cubriera.
Ay, no, hombre, claro que no.
¿Sí?
No.
Sí, sí, sí.
Ya estoy asustada porque si ellos te hacen...
Eruption, you know, when I say they're going to go off, they do the total opposite. Okay, folks? So if they do not go off, not my fault.
Okay.
Okay? But they do go off every hour. Okay, Kiwi. As you can see, we have a kiwi bird right here. This is our female kiwi.
Ahí, póngase. What camera?
So it takes up 2/3. 2/3 of the female's body, which is equivalent to birthing a 3-year-old.
¿Lo has visto? Wow, that's incredible. I'm gonna touch it. Huele bien rico. A huevo. No, I smell like shite. Yeah. so badass.
Well, you can actually dive. And it's okay.
Wow. ¿Y es de que agua fresca o calentita?
Dice que it cools up. It's like
Ah,
45
qué
degrees.
rico.
Dice que nada más es 1 hora.
Fucking beautiful.
¿Podemos ir hasta allá o no?
Allí? Sí.
Before it's 3:45?
Yeah, it's right there. Super close. Oh yeah. It just fucking activated in Japan today. Some of the Māori handicraft. I'm sorry for the lines that you guys are seeing. I don't know how to fix that. What is this? That looks amazing. Amazing handcrafted stuff.
Well, you would ever put when I was in your neck.
Whoa, why is it moving so much?
Back trolling, bro.
What the fuck is going on? Why is it moving so much?
Bro, it's not me, bro. What do you mean?
It moved a lot, bro. I don't know why. Oh, barking mad, bro.
No, this is dead already, no?
If she can't break, she's fake.
¿Qué más? Ah, lovely. Welcome to Rakatapuni. This is the place where all the Indians live. I look like absolute shite, guys, but we're trying to find a place to camp. As you guys can see, we got an RV. It's beautiful out here. As you can see, there's people trying to fish over there. It's pretty cool. There's people reading. Yeah, we're not gonna really do the hike. We're trying to find the perfect place to camp. But yeah. Alrighty, guys. What? Okay. Alright. So today I'm gonna take you guys on a little trail here in New Zealand. I'll show you all the names later. But anyways, we decided to camp. Yeah, we're going. She's kind of tough. She's kind of tough. You have to cross the fucking river. Yeah. Y'all can see these trails are not super easy. Holy shit.
What?
Aquí no. Allá está el swimming spot. Este no
es el swimming spot, güey.
Aquí te
Yeah.
puedes cortar.
¿Aquí qué?
Aquí te puedes
llevar
cortar, te puede llevar. It's not the swimming spot.
Yeah, this is not the swimming spot.
So,
It's further down that way.
yeah.
'Cause
It's
in the
said right there, bro. People just set up kill traps here for animals to kill them. Interesting. All the trees covered in moss. The way the lighting is hitting. Look at that. Wow. Shit going crazy. Guys, it's so quiet. This is... If you guys are gonna come to New Zealand, definitely take a camper, because you're able to just park in the most I guess I wouldn't say inaccessible, but it's inaccessible if you don't have a fucking car. And it's just dope. You park, you can sleep, walk around. If you're with your girl or family, just take a little hike. That's dope. One of our rarest birds has a very unusual bill and appears on the $10 note. Wherever you'll find a wheel, you'll find a healthy river system. And then that tells you basically all about them. Camouflage, size, designer lips, eyes forward. Seems to be like a little duck, I guess. 5-street rapid running aquatic acrobat, commonly known as a blue duck. Only around 2,500 left in the wild. Wow. Okay. Hopefully we get to see some of them. If you spot the wheels with that, bro, the ducks, really? ¿Está frío? Is it cold?
Yeah.
Emmy, is it cold? Super?
Cold plunge?
Shite.
With the wind, it is cold fun.
So where does the trail keep going? Or is this it? Oh. Right, yeah. So as y'all saw, no ducks were found there. Hopefully we'll see some later on right now. But I mean, as you guys can see, if you come here, it's pretty hard to get lost. There's trail markings all over the place. Just follow the orange little triangles and I don't think you'll get lost. I didn't really film the part where my brother got out of the river and he had like a little worm on him. But if you guys are afraid of those little critters, I would not suggest going on there, or in there, sorry.
Oh,
Let's see. This like what? Yep. No, there. Look, it's up. It's another viewpoint. Like straight into the river. Nice. Right. Right. Damn, bro, look at this. This is sick.
she's gonna be like, and you should just make.
I'd be like, holy shit, where are we?
See Connor.
Bro, I want to come here at night. Yeah. What is that? What the fuck? Oh, it's just part of the plant. Just looks mad weird. Damn. I need to get back in shit when I'm back home, bro. Because I feel like a fat ass. Holy. It's literally so quiet, you can hear the buzz of a bee. Wow. The lighting looks incredible. Look at this shit. Oh. Just a little swamp. Little swamp. This is genuinely a really cool way to explore New Zealand. Sure, you could go to the cities, sure, you could go to the tourist places, but just going into the middle of nowhere is fucking sick. It should be inside. Should be. Just wait. Can't restrain. Oh shit. Oh my god. Ah, God, thank you for this wonderful land and earth, man. Holy. Just beautiful. Just plain beautiful. We're headed up the mountain once again. We're headed back to the RV park. My ghrelin is acting up. I'm hungry. But God willing, we will make it in one piece. Now, as you guys can see, this is filled with foliage. Not many people come through here to clear this out. So it's eating up the trail. But it is beautiful nonetheless. Also, rocks fall here. So if you guys come, just be careful. Let me go ahead and move. Alrighty. If I come across any other beautiful viewpoints, I'll make sure to turn the camera on. But as of now, what y'all have been seeing is what this trail mostly consists of. It's basically a loop. But I mean, it's all just this, just greenery, trees, the side of the river, and yeah. So I'll see you guys either at the campground or if I come across something crazy. All right. Here we go.
Hey.
We're currently trying to cross to the south side of New Zealand. So this is some of the views as y'all can see. Our car is literally parked in the boat. We should probably be off in like an hour and a half. As you guys can see, we seem to be in what seems to be like a desert part of New Zealand. I didn't even know this existed, but pretty interesting. Let me give you guys another look. This mountain seems to be a bit greener than the others for some reason. And then there's a lot of trees down there. Pretty cool landscape. That's where all the water falls when it rains. Like a little valley. Wait, so why don't we camp there?
Porque su RV estaba colapsando.
So?
El de ustedes.
Sí. Wow. Tengo como ahí, en el valle. ¿Es una verdad? ¿Ok? Pero ya se ve impresionante. Estamos en un valle. O, bueno, no. Bueno, más o menos. Currently fishing. Trying to get a little something. I have hope. I usually always get something, but that's because I get help from the locals, you feel me? I get taken to like the best places and shit. Right now I'm at the edge of the river, so not really expecting anything, but I am enjoying the landscape, as y'all can see. Very, very beautiful. We're about to get on a helicopter to go to the top of Mount Cook. Pretty excited. And then later we'll probably skydive. So, yeah.
Yes. Jeez. Y'all good? Okay. Perfect. Okay. Have fun, guys.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah, it's because this has a gate.
Welcome to Spirit Airlines.
Dani, ¿a poco es la primera vez que te subes?
Sí, a mí me da mucho miedo los helicópteros.
Paz, tienes que ponerle literal pegado a tus labios.
Por eso.
Arriba de un glaciar. Ah. Shit. We made it. We're in a fucking inhospitable ass environment right now. Ah. Woo. Oh my god. This is sick. Damn. They told me to come, so it's out of boundaries over there, as y'all can see. It's too dangerous. Alright, we took our pics. We're headed back now. We made it back. Oh god. What did you think of that, Meg? Impresionante, pa. Gracias. Estuvo padre. Estuvo padre, gracias. So I'm at an undisclosed location right now. Can't really tell y'all. Within Mount Cook National Park. Usually earlier in the day a bunch of people were here on the rocks just chilling, sunbathing. As y'all can see, it's pretty empty now because it's just very chilly now. But I kind of like it. It's very serene. And I guess it's just a good place to chill. I'm gonna chill on this rock. But it's cool to just look out. And think about shit.